Like what I've said, I'm going to be showing you how to use your computer or your internet. Just go to Google, how to use your internet to run an online clock or a sort of stopwatch or alarm clock. Yes, on your computer, on your laptop, using your internet. So from Google, just type online stopwatch or online alarm clock something. And this will show this one, this part. And all you need to do is set the timer. So let's say 15 minutes and start. Okay, let's just shorten it to 2 minutes so you can really hear the actual. I wanted you to hear how it's just 1 minute so you can hear the actual sounds when it goes off. So sleepy. Still so sleepy from last night, but there you go. It's running 41 minutes, 40, 39, 38, 37. So that's just going to run off and you can hear it when I wanted you to hear the alarm. It's actually loud and it's louder than your phone. And you will really, if you're sleeping, if naidip ka na konti, then you'll really jolt up and awaken. There you go. Just 6 more seconds. 2, 1. Let's hope that the sound will be recorded in this. I am not so sure, but let's just stop it. Okay. You can reset it if you want. It will go back to the time and reset mo. So let's go back to Loom. So that's just how to use it. It's very quick. All you needed is your Google. So you need an internet connection for this. So let's go back to this. I want to show you the work that I'm doing for a client right now. I'm doing LinkedIn management. So here we go. Let's go to I needed to be sending messages for this client. So let's look. Okay. Write message or attach a file. The question is, how can I trying to see kung paano ako. Hindi ko makita kung paano mag-ano, attach ng file dito. Hmm. Bear with me guys. I'm trying to figure out paano siya ginagawa. Oops, nawala na. Ayun, Erin. Paano mag-attach from here? Siguro na ano. Ayun, ayun. So, I'm trying to attach a file here, guys. Files. And small business. Open. It's loading. Corico. Okay, there you go. So send. So basically what I'm doing right now guys is I am currently handling or managing a client's social media account, and I am doing some campaigns for him. We are doing campaigns for him, so it's Erin. That's just how it's done. Okay, so we're good. I've already show you how I've already shown to you how to use the online alarm clock using Google, and I've shown you also a clip of me doing an actual job or task for a client. So I think this is it. And I'm still a little sleepy, but hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Thank you for being with me in this episode, and I'll be seeing you in my next channels, in my next episodes or next video. Bye for now.